Welcome to GCCars, my name is Eric, and today we are going for a POV test drive in this 2023 Kia Soul GT line. Limited, the top spec Kia Soul. But before we do that, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review if you want to hear all my thoughts on this 2023 Kia Soul, and if you want to know if this is a good budget-friendly SUV. But what are we going to do in today's highway POV test drive? Well, it's pretty straightforward. We will be testing the assist systems and kind of like the safety and driving assist features that this Kia Soul offers, namely lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and Hyundai Kia's active lane centering. So let's first of all merge on the highway here, and then once we got that done, we should probably put on lane safety. There we go. I always have that turned off, so I gotta remember to start it. So when I'm doing this, it means I'm not actively steering, and if I'm doing this, it means I'm actively steering. So let's drift out of the lane and see what the car does. And as you can see, it catches us right away, very early on, before we even have any risk of really leaving the lane. Let's try it a bit more harsh of an angle, and there we go. Quick catch, keeps us in the lane, no problem. So I think we can already confirm that lane keep assist works extremely well here in this Kia. Let's go over to the left lane actually, because the middle lane, sorry, the right lane exits. We don't want to exit right now. And then we can turn on our adaptive cruise control. Okay, adaptive cruise control set up to speed and distance. Yep, that works for me. This is the button I'm meant to press. Okay. And now we also have enabled the lane centering assist with this button here. So now the car is actively centering us in the lane, and I can show you this here in a second. Let's just get over to this lane. That was a quick little double merge there. They wanted in this lane as well. Anyhow, there you go. The Soul centers us in the lane extremely well. I love this system. I love it every time I have it. And any Kia, and any Hyundai, and any Genesis, they all have this system. And it just works phenomenally well, as you can see. Let's see if it can catch the next one though, because this one is where a lot of systems like to fail. Come on, it was just on the verge of no. I think it would have done it, but it was just kind of towards the edge and a little further left than I would like it. But it's a great system. It works really well. We just gotta go back out of this lane here. I probably want to go one more over. And now I can hand back control here in a second. Right lane's acquired. So you can once again see how this works. Really, really well. And as always, of course, these are semi-autonomous systems, so you gotta keep your hands on the steering wheel, just like I'm doing right here. It's just for visualization, I can still steer. Okay, turn this off, turn everything off, and I think I'm just gonna be quiet for a bit and give you the chance to listen and see how it is to drive this Kia Soul on the highway. Oh, that looks like a bit of a traffic jam up ahead. I think that is a good time for us to stop this video and for me to tell you that we have another POV test drive, one that is at night where we test the headlights, the high beams, the automatic high beams, and also test an emergency braking scenario, and of course get the full review for all my thoughts. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe because we upload videos every single week, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.